have left Uttore and we are heading towards Pelling. So if you have not seen my last video on Uttore, please go and watch it. It's linked in the description box. Today we are heading towards Pelling, and from Uttore it's around 1.5 hours of drive via the Dentham road. The roads are quite adventurous at some point, but otherwise it's pretty good and pretty smooth roads that we have seen till now in West Sikkim. It's day 2 for us, and the plan for today is to do sightseeing of Pelling and stay the night at Pelling. And we are right now heading towards the newly built skywalk in Pelling. There's also a monastery nearby, and we are planning to stay at Upper Pelling because it's close to the skywalk and also a few other spots which we need to cover for our sightseeing. Now you can stay also at Lower Pelling or Middle Pelling, and you get ample amount of hotels. You can pre-book, you can come and then check and book. We have got a contact from the person from whom we rented our bike, so we will check out that place later. And right now heading towards the skywalk. So currently we are at Shang Sholing Monastery, and here itself we have the skywalk. I'll show you this. You can see this behind me, the skywalk and the Buddha statue. Yeah. The timings are from 8 a.m. till 4:30 p.m. and the entry fee, if you are a local tourist, is 50, for tourist 100, for DSLR 50, and for a drone 1,000 bucks. So here we are at the skywalk, and look at the view. Amazing. This is a very newly built skywalk, and I guess one of the India's first glass skywalk. It's a little cloudy today, otherwise you can easily view Kanchenjunga range from the skywalk. And here is the amazing Buddha statue. Wow. This is the other side of the skywalk where you have the old monastery. This is the old monastery. This road last half a kilometer towards the skywalk. It's very steep, and now we are going down slope. It's quite steep, and the bends, they're almost at 30-degree angle, so quite an adventure. Our next stop is Khechiperi Lake and Kanchenjunga Falls, which is around 32 kilometers from the skywalk, and which would take around 1.5 hours to reach. On the way to Khechiperi Lake. So you have to enter from here, and you need to open your shoes here. This is a sacred lake, and while you visit here you will see a lot of rituals going on, or a lot of offerings going on here, and quite a beautiful, serene and peaceful place. After this, we will stop for quick lunch, and then our next destination would be Kanchenjunga Falls. This is the Kanchenjunga Falls, and it is just half an hour distance from the Kejiperi Lake. And what a beauty this is. Trust me, you visit this place and you'll be blown by this huge and beautiful waterfall. After this, we are heading back to our hotel, and it's around 20 kilometers, which would take around an hour. And that's it for today. And for tomorrow, we have some more spots to cover in Pelling. So today we are staying at Farmrong Residency. We have checked in here yesterday evening after we did a sightseeing of Pelling, and then we checked in here. This place is situated just at the crossing of Upper Pelling. It's placed at a very strategic location. Why I tell you this, you will understand from this. So this is the lounge of this hotel. It's a pretty decent and budget hotel, but from this lounge, I guess it's one of the second oldest hotel in Upper Pelling. And I tell you why I say this. You see, the entire Kanchenjunga range is visible from here, from the windows. See here. And there are around 25 rooms in this hotel. So most of the rooms has this mountain view, which is towards the Kanchenjunga, and I'll show you how it looks inside. So it's a pretty decent room. So you have a nice bed, you have a window here, and then you have a TV, then you have a cabinet here. And the best part is this, again, you see, so you can sit in your bed, and then from here itself you can have a view of the Kanchenjunga range. So yeah, this is where we are having our coffee and tea and morning breakfast, and this is the view from the window, you see. Trust me, I was not able to sleep the last night because I had to wake up to see the spectacular sunrise and get the view of Kanchenjunga, because it was a clear sky, and this is what you get to see, the golden Kanchenjunga. It was not very clear sky, it was kind of cloudy for last 2 days, and today was the last day for us in Pelling, and we prayed so hard that we get a clear sky so that we can view the clear range of Kanchenjunga, and this is what we got. We were so lucky. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos covering Tarebhi, Rabangla and Temiti Garden. If you have any questions, you can put up in the comment box. Do like the video, share it and subscribe to our channel on YouTube. You can also follow us on Insta at The Pillion Traveller. A lot of details about the trip is mentioned in the description box, which can be useful to you, and thank you again for watching.